What's up, tech fans? The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 and the Gigabyte Aero X16 are both thin premium powerhouses for 2025, but one is a pure performer and the other is seriously held back. We're pitting the Core Ultra 9 against the Ryzen AI 7 and the RTX 5070 Ti against the choked RTX 5070. Watch till the end. Before you buy, you'll know the definitive winner. Check the description for the latest price and deals, and please like the video, it helps a ton. The design and build quality of the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 2025 and the Gigabyte Aero X16 both showcase a commitment to premium thin and light chassis construction, moving away from overtly aggressive gaming aesthetics toward professional elegance. ASUS has refined the Zephyrus G16's aluminum chassis to an ultra-slim 0.6 9-inch profile, achieving a lightweight build of just 4.3 pounds. This CNC machined aluminum body ensures a robust and rigid feel with minimal flex around the keyboard or display, positioning it as a luxury, highly portable 16-inch machine. While it maintains a subtle gaming flair, specifically with the signature diagonal LED light bar on the anodized lid, the overall look is understated, allowing it to blend seamlessly into creative or professional environments. The G16's build is often likened to the premium quality of a MacBook Pro or Razer Blade, setting a high standard for a modern gaming laptop that prioritizes portability. The Gigabyte Aero X16 adopts a similarly high-end design philosophy, entirely abandoning any typical gamer aesthetic to present itself as a clean, professional-grade mobile workstation. Its chassis is also constructed from CNC milled aluminum, featuring a satin metallic finish, sharp edges, and highly subtle branding. The build is exceptionally thin and light for its class, with a thickness ranging from 16.75 to 19.99 mm and a weight of only 4.18 pounds. This rigidity, coupled with the ability to open the sturdy hinge with one hand, emphasizes its focus on the professional market. The Aero X16 feels like a premium ultrabook first and a gaming laptop second, directly competing with the most portable 16-inch machines like the Zephyrus G16 and the Razer Blade series in terms of form factor and material quality. Both machines succeed in offering superior all-metal construction, but the Zephyrus G16 has a slightly thinner profile and incorporates a subtle lighting element, whereas the Aero X16 leans into pure, unadorned minimalism. The display is a crucial battleground where the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 2025 and the Gigabyte Aero X16 present two distinct premium experiences, though both feature a 16-inch panel with a 2560 by 1600 resolution and a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. The Zephyrus G16 is equipped with a stunning 240Hz OLED display, making it one of the G16's most compelling features. This panel delivers the inherent benefits of OLED technology, including superb contrast, inky blacks, and rich saturation that makes HDR content and demanding games look dazzling. It also boasts exceptional color accuracy, achieving nearly 100% sRGB, 96% Adobe RGB, and 98% DCI-P3 coverage, which makes it an ideal canvas for professional content creation. The drawback, typical of glossy OLED screens, is the potential for reflections, which can impact visibility in bright environments. In contrast, the Gigabyte Aero X16 features a 165Hz IPS display. While IPS technology means it cannot match the perfect blacks and contrast ratios of the Zephyrus G16's OLED, the panel is crisp, highly detailed, and having strong color reproduction, offering full sRGB and wide DCI-P3 coverage that makes it a beautiful and balanced option for creators. The major practical advantage of the Aero X16 screen is its anti-glare matte finish. This coating effectively prevents reflections, offering a significant benefit for editing and productivity in varied or brightly lit work environments, avoiding the glossy glare issue faced by the G16. Both displays are highly capable for creative work, but the Zephyrus G16 targets the highest possible visual fidelity and refresh rate, while the Aero X16 prioritizes eye comfort and reflection mitigation. Moving to the webcam, both laptops provide a 1080p resolution module, offering a marked improvement over the common 720p sensors often found in gaming notebooks. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 features a 1080p IR webcam that supports Windows Hello for quick facial recognition login. Its image quality is sharp and well-balanced, suitable for both streaming and professional conferencing. A key benefit of the Zephyrus G16 is the integration of the Intel Core Ultra chip's NPU, which enables AI-powered features such as background blur and noise reduction to enhance video calls. The Gigabyte Aero X16 also includes a 1080p webcam positioned in the top bezel, which provides accurate color and solid exposure control in daylight. While its low-light performance is considered mediocre, it is still notably better than many 720p alternatives. The Aero X16 also supports Windows Hello facial authentication, matching the G16 in convenience and security features. In terms of input devices, both laptops are equipped with comfortable keyboards and excellent touchpads. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 features a backlit single-zone RGB keyboard that is praised for its satisfying travel and snappy response, making it comfortable for long typing sessions and fast gaming inputs. The layout is spacious, but it omits a numpad, which is a common compromise for a compact 16-inch design. Below the keyboard is a large haptic touchpad that is smooth, precise, and provides subtle tactile feedback on clicks. This touchpad is considered one of the better ones in the gaming category, with responsiveness that rivals high-end competitors like the Razer Blade series. The Gigabyte Aero X16's keyboard is also highly rated, noted for nailing the typing feel with keys that feature deep travel approximately 1.5 mm and a soft tactile actuation. This depth may appeal to users who prefer a more traditional typing experience than the shallow keys sometimes found on ultra-slim designs. It includes a white backlight and maintains a clean, modern font. Matching the G16, the Aero X16 also features a large, fast, and glass-smooth touchpad that fully supports Windows precision gestures and provides tactile, quiet clicks. Ultimately, both offer premium touchpad experiences, but the G16 has a haptic touchpad with customizable feedback and single-zone RGB, while the Aero X16 provides a deeper, softer key travel on its keyboard. Finally, battery life proves to be the Achilles heel for the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 2025. The laptop manages just 4 hours and 51 minutes in video playback testing. This short runtime is attributed to the combined power demands of the high-draw Intel Core Ultra chip and the energy-intensive 240Hz OLED display. While limited endurance is common for high-end gaming laptops, the G16's performance here falls well short of its AMD-powered sibling and other competitors, meaning users must keep the charger close for productivity or travel. In stark contrast to the G16's limited runtime, the Gigabyte Aero X16, despite its internal performance compromises, also exhibits poor battery endurance. Its 76-watt-hour battery lasts only about 5 to 6 hours for light content consumption, 4 hours for office productivity, and a dismal 109 minutes during mixed gaming loads. This result is unexpectedly low for a machine with a power-limited 85-watt GPU and an AMD Ryzen AI processor designed for efficiency. For comparison, the G16 lasts nearly 5 hours in a controlled video playback test, demonstrating superior longevity in light-use scenarios compared to the Aero X16's mixed-use runtimes. Both machines require frequent charging, but the Zephyrus G16 still manages to provide a slightly longer window of unplugged productivity than the Aero X16 under general use. The Zephyrus G16 is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9285H, a high-performance chip designed for efficiency and speed. This 16-core, 22-thread processor leverages a combination of high-performance and efficiency cores, integrating an Intel AI Boost NPU that provides 13 TOPS of performance for AI acceleration. Paired with 32 GB of fast LPDDR5X memory and a 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, the G16 handles demanding workflows and multitasking with considerable ease, delivering strong results in productivity benchmarks like Cinebench and Geekbench 6. Its performance is only slightly trailing behind much heavier, more powerful competitors, positioning it as a strong, high-end mobile platform. In contrast, the Gigabyte Aero X16 utilizes the AMD Ryzen AI 7350. While this processor is part of AMD's efficiency-focused lineup and is equipped with NPU cores, its CPU performance is uneven. Multi-core workloads yield solid results comparable to mid- to high-tier chips, but its single-core performance is unusually weak. This limits its effectiveness in tasks relying on single-thread throughput, such as real-time workloads and certain lightly threaded game engines, making the G16's Core Ultra 9 the more consistently robust choice for pure CPU processing power. When evaluating editing and creative work, the Zephyrus G16 is configured as a fantastic portable editing station. The combination of the Core Ultra 9 CPU, the powerful RTX 5070 Ti GPU, and the bright, color-accurate 240Hz OLED display creates an environment ideal for creators. It excels in professional tests like Puget Bench for Photoshop and handles 4K video work and motion graphics effortlessly, benefiting from strong GPU acceleration in applications like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. The fast 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD further ensures quick file transfers and application loading times, supporting demanding media workflows without notable bottlenecks. The Aero X16, despite its professional chassis, offers a mixed bag for creators. While it provides a beautiful 1600p display, 32GB of RAM, its creative output is significantly hindered by performance limitations. The slow PCIe 4.0 SSD delivers disappointing read-write speeds, which can create a frustrating bottleneck during intensive timeline scrubbing on large media projects. Furthermore, the weak single-core CPU performance and the restrictive 85-watt GPU limit mean that while the Aero X16 is functional for common editing tasks, it cannot deliver the class-leading rendering speed or responsiveness expected of a machine labeled with an RTX 5070. For gaming, the Zephyrus G16, equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti, 12GB video RAM, delivers exceptional 1440p and 1600p gaming performance. It sits just below the highest-tier mobile GPUs and achieves high frame rates in demanding modern games even on ultra settings with ray tracing enabled. The laptop's support for DLSS 4 further enhances its performance profile, delivering impressive boosts to frame rates. The only caveat is that its slim chassis limits thermal headroom, causing sustained performance to potentially dip slightly compared to much thicker dedicated gaming systems. The Gigabyte Aero X16's gaming capabilities are fundamentally undermined by its conservative thermal design. The RTX 5070 GPU is strictly limited to 85 watt of power, which severely restricts its potential clock speeds and sustained performance. This restriction means the Aero X16 performs only marginally better, about a 5 to 6% gain, than its manufacturer's cheaper RTX 5060 models that share the same power limit. In real-world gaming, this RTX 5070 at 85 watt performs below what other competitors achieve with lower-tier but higher wattage GPUs. Ultimately, the G16 is designed to deliver a high-performance gaming experience, while the Aero X16's gaming capabilities are actively choked by its power profile. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 is the definitive winner. If you need a high-end, powerful, and premium thin and light for elite gaming and content creation, the G16 is worth the investment. The Gigabyte Aero X16 is a sleek, beautiful budget choice, but its choked performance and slow SSD mean you're paying for a GPU that simply doesn't deliver.